If I told you that just $10 a day could make you a millionaire, you'd probably laugh, right? I mean, 10 bucks? That's barely a lunch at Chipotle. But here's the crazy part, you'd be wrong. Because hidden behind that tiny number lies a mathematical time machine, one that quietly transforms small habits into massive wealth. And the best part? Anyone, even you, can use it. But how? How does something so small become so big? Let's peel back the curtain on the hidden math of compounding. This video isn't about quick hacks or crypto luck. It's about a system, a secret used by the wealthy for centuries to grow money while they sleep. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn $10 a day into $1 million. And what most people get fatally wrong about it. And no, it's not by skipping Starbucks, although that might help too. Let me tell you a quick story. There's a guy named Jake, 22 years old, just started his first job. Every month, after rent, bills, and maybe a few nights out, he'd think, there's no way I can save money. Then one day, Jake heard about this thing called compound interest. He read that if he invested just $10 a day, about $300 a month, and earned an average 10% annual return, he could retire with over $1.8 million by age 65. He didn't believe it either, so he ran the numbers himself. And what he discovered shocked him. Let's do the same math Jake did. If you invest $10 a day, that's $3,650 a year. And it grows at 10% per year after 10 years, around $60,000. 20 years, about $230,000. 30 years, nearly $660,000. And by 40 years, over $1.8 million. All from the same 10 bucks a day. $10. That's less than what most people spend on streaming subscriptions they don't even use. But here's the secret no one talks about. Compounding doesn't just multiply your money, it multiplies your time. Because the earlier you start, the less you have to do. But the longer you wait, the harder it gets. In fact, let me show you something that'll either motivate you or terrify you. Imagine two people. Jake, who started investing $10 a day at 22, and Mike, who waited until 32 to start. Both invest the same amount every day, earning the same 10% return. By 65, Jake ends up with $1.8 million. Mike, only about $680,000. Just because he started 10 years late. That's a $1.1 million price tag for procrastination. You don't lose money by not investing. You lose time, and time is the one thing you can't buy back. As Jake's money grew, something unexpected happened. He started thinking differently. He realized wealth wasn't about luck, it was about leverage. He learned to build income streams, automate his savings, and invest in himself, books, skills, and habits that multiplied his value. And that's when he discovered something even more powerful than compounding money. Compounding knowledge. Because once your money starts working for you, you can focus on building systems that bring in more without trading more time. And that's exactly how people build financial freedom, without ever being rich to start with. So here's the truth. Becoming a millionaire isn't about how much you make. It's about how early you start and how consistently you stay invested. $10 a day won't change your life tomorrow, but 10 years from now, you'll look back and realize it changed everything. If you want to take this to the next level and see how I'm personally building multiple income streams that feed my investments, click the video on your screen right now. Because the secret to wealth isn't one stream. It's many working together.